Well, you're about to be done with your machine, and then all of a sudden you have to do panel pass-throughs, cable glands, drilling, stainless, drill bit breaking, etc. We have that guy, Mike Bird, who can't run a measuring tape, so you don't know if he's going to put it in the right place or not. Different colored cable glands, silver, black, fat cables, skinny cables, 20 plus holes, time consuming, all kinds of painful nightmares. Well, Murr's come out with the 3rd generation KDL cable gland pass-through. So basically, instead of drilling 20 holes, 10 holes, holes everywhere, wrong size, etc., you can merely cut in your panel design a small 2 by 4.5-inch hole that will incorporate a metal frame, plastic frame in different configuration sizes for cables from say 4 millimeters up, and with a simple installing the cables into the cable glands and then zip tying them to the back. All you do is go back and refinish your cable considerations, put it together, screw it down, and snap it into place. If you need these or any other machine building tools to help save time and time consumption, give me a call at Aaron P. at Scott Equipment.